What is your recommended approach for a customer to handle all this post live?
Well, I think first off, after you get your implementation done, you need to give your project team some time to recover for a bit. In all likelihood, your project team, you've been asking your folks to basically hold down 2 full-time jobs for an extended period of time, and you need a little bit of time to catch their breath. Project fatigue is a real thing. I think you also need to let the system go through a couple of cycles before you start changing things up. You let the newness wear off, let them get through the learning curve, and get used to the new programs and processes. Then I think you can get a really good idea of what's going right and what needs to be addressed. They'll expose themselves. I'm a big proponent of forming a continuous improvement team. If a client hasn't done that already, do it now. If you haven't done it through the course of your ERP implementation, do it now. An ERP package is a huge part of a client's business, and it's always evolving. All the CUs, all the improvements, what have you. You need to create a method for your users to submit their issues and also the suggestions for improvements and capture those. And then I would say you need to have, that could be anything from a process flow to a report to an IPA, doesn't matter. Get them on the list, get them documented. Then have a committee of end users, super users, who takes that, evaluates the list, prioritizes it, and gets those issues implemented, gets them addressed. Management has to buy in, has to be a budget behind it. But in doing so, if you do it this way, you're going to keep your system fresh, keep things moving forward. I think the other benefit of that is when your end users see that their issues are being heard, that their voices are being heard and being addressed, you have a happier user community as well.